Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to remove all formatting in Word. Friends, due to some reason, if you want to remove all the designs done on the text, like I have changed the font, color, size, etc. of the text, which now I want to delete. So you need to select the portion on which you want to remove the formatting. So to remove formatting, you need to press Ctrl and space bar on the keyboard. Now the formatting on the selected portion is removed. Likewise, if you want to remove the formatting of complete document, for that you need to press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select the complete document, and after that you need to press Ctrl spacebar on your keyboard to delete the formatting. So friends, like this you can very easily remove all formatting in Word. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.